Hello friends, how are you today? Welcome to another episode of the Arkesh Gadhvi show, and today in this video we will discuss how to stand out from crowd. So friends, first point is be authentic, because everyone has their unique style. Everybody is different. So be yourself. Don't copy anyone, right? So be authentic, be genuine, be yourself. Number 2 is have confidence in yourself, because if you look like confused, you can't stand out. So you have to be more confident in yourself. Number 3 is be a good listener, because everybody wants to talk but nobody wants to listen. So if you want to stand out from crowd, you should be a good listener. Number 4 is show humanity and kindness for others, because humanity and kindness is very rare. So show humanity and kindness for others. Number 5 is have a producer mindset, because in this world normal people wants to just consume everything they want to consume. So if you want to stand out from the crowd, have a producer mindset. Produce things, produce content, whatever. You should have a producing mindset rather than a consuming mindset. So friends, these are 5 points to stand out from the crowd. So don't forget to like if you like this video, comment and share with your friends. If you are new at channel, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Thank you so much. See you in next video.